happy about this online class because in these quarantine days, it's helping us to focus on our studies without wasting our time so that we don't forget our studies. And teachers are also teaching well and explaining clearly and making us understand better with their study materials, PPTs, videos and assignments. And this online class is helpful because when this quarantine period is over, teachers don't have to hurry to complete their courses and we don't have to worry about our assignments. And it's a nice experience for us.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜವರು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಝೂಮ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡೈಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೇನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೇಲಿ ಸೇಫಾಗಿದ್ದು ಪಾಠ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay students, so now we deal about the backward method in multi-stage graph. Okay, so I have taken an example, and in this example we have a number of nodes 9, then source is 1, destination is 9, and here we are considering the backward method. So backward method means we have to come from source to destination. Okay,
hello, I am Tejaswini from 4th SEM of CS branch from East West College of Engineering. Here I am talking about the online classes. From our department, online classes are being conducted by using the Zoom app. We are being taught about the theory part of the syllabus, and lecturers are giving their best in teaching, providing notes and also clarifying the doubts. Their interaction with the students is same as they do in the classroom, and the classes are running as per the scheduled timetable, and there are no such negative comments about the online classes, except there will be some network issues sometimes. We are also given assignments and also the attendance is considered. And overall the online classes are similar to the classroom teaching. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello, my name is Vijay and I am pursuing 3rd year of Computer Science Engineering in East West College of Engineering, Yelahanka. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the country has seen a lot of changes, which also includes the lockdown. During the lockdown, VTU has come up with a great plan of online classes. So I would like to speak a few words about the online classes. The classes are run smoothly as per the scheduled timetable. The doubts are cleared then and there itself without any hesitation, and also our lecturers provide us with the study material on a day-to-day basis, and also the assignments are given regularly. So we are lucky enough to not miss our classes. So I would like to thank our principal, HOD and our lecturers for this initiative. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Emavati from 6th SEM CS department. During this lockdown, our faculties are putting lot of efforts. They are taking online classes and sharing notes, PPTs, assignments, question bank, and students who are facing network problem, for them they are making online session videos and sharing those videos with us. By the video, we can watch until we understand it. By this way, I would like to thank all my faculties, HOD sir and principal sir. Thank you.
Problems on scheduling algorithm. The first type is first come first served algorithm. The given problem is to calculate the average turnaround time and the average waiting time using the FCFS algorithm. The question they are given the process number, arrival time and the burst time of each process. The formula to calculate the turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time, and the formula to calculate the waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time.
My name is Purnima Vaiva. I am studying East West College of Engineering, 8th SEM Computer Science. Due to COVID-19, the government has announced total lockdown, due to which the communication between teachers and students is through internet. So the college has chosen Zoom online platform for the classes and the technical seminar.
Hello, my name is Vishal. I am pursuing my graduation in East West College of Engineering. I am in the 8th semester, Computer Science branch. As we all know, COVID-19 is one of the disastrous disease, and government has taken a brave decision of total lockdown in the whole country. Well, my college has taken a good initiative of conducting the classes online. Well, as such, Zoom is one of the good platform which my college has chosen. And as I'm studying in the 8th semester, we have 3 subjects, one technical seminar and one project phase. The 3 subjects have been scheduled and the classes have gone successfully. Then the technical seminar for each individual has been recorded and taken. The project phase, the members of the team have proposed a solution and each individual has presented their roles as what they have done in the project, and the complete the project up to date have been presented. Stay home, stay fit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Neha R, student of East West College of Engineering, currently studying in 4th sem of Computer Science Department. As we all know that the whole India has undergone lockdown or breakdown due to coronavirus or COVID-19. Hence, therefore, there is a need for maintaining social distance. Therefore, the management has decided to conduct the online classes. These online classes are conducted based on the predefined scheduling using Zoom application. PowerPoint presentations, supporting videos, PDFs, notes are shared by the faculties of the day-to-day concepts. Not only this, our faculties help us clear all our doubts in a better way such that we can understand the problem or the concept in depth. Hereby, I would like to thank all our faculties, HOD, principal and the management for creating such an opportunity for us to learn the concept by staying at home. Therefore, I also would like to say that everyone be safe and stay home. Thank you.
Hello, this is Arjun Padmanabha, student of East West College of Engineering, currently studying in 4th sem of Computer Science Department. As we all are aware of COVID-19 breakdown and need of social distancing, the management has decided to go with online classes. These classes are conducted with predefined schedules through the Zoom application. PowerPoint presentations, support videos and question banks are shared for every topic, which helps us to understand the topic in depth. They help us concentrate on studying by clearing our doubts through the online sessions and motivate us to ramp up our work. Apart from daily curriculum, faculties also help us with the awareness and provide guidelines about the day-to-day situations. I hereby like to end my speech by thanking the faculties, HOD, principal and the management for giving us this wonderful opportunity to learn